Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to work with unpleasant emotions when they arise. When we try to push away or deny difficult emotions, we create more suffering. But when we turn towards them and even lean into them, we build resilience and our capacity to hold ourselves with grace and stability. Let's begin. Start by finding an easy seat. Lengthen your spine so that you remain alert yet relaxed. Find a comfortable place to rest your arms and hands. Soften any unnecessary gripping in your belly, your shoulders, your neck. Relax the muscles of your face. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now, take a few deep, expansive breaths. Let these long inhalations and smooth exhalations help you arrive fully into your practice. And let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Notice your inhalations and exhalations effortlessly entering and exiting the body. Now, bring to mind something challenging you are currently experiencing. Pick a situation that is moderately difficult for you right now instead of the most difficult one. And notice if you experience the need to push it away. If there's a desire to soothe yourself in some way, or if you want to pretend it's not happening at all. Instead of turning away from the discomfort, turn towards it now. Without judgment, notice where it lands in your body. Observe any sensations that come up. Watch the type of thoughts or emotions that may arise. And if you feel overwhelmed at any point, take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nostrils and let it out through your mouth. Now, bring in a sense of love and acceptance. Imagine that you are wrapping yourself in a blanket of compassion and safety. Feel yourself held in kindness and ease. and knowing you are safely and compassionately held, face the challenge directly. When you're ready, begin to offer yourself kind and compassionate words. You might say to yourself, "I know I will be okay. I am strong and capable." Or, "All I need exists within me." Keep offering yourself loving kindness, feeling your body and mind slow down and move towards more ease. Now, let go of the words and images and return to your breath. Notice the breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. And now, let your awareness soften. Life can often feel challenging. We face the daily pressures of work, caring for our families, and juggling responsibilities. And when something unexpected arises, it can become overwhelming. So instead of pretending we're okay or trying to bury our feelings when intensity rises, it's essential to slow down and acknowledge what's happening. Though it may initially seem counterintuitive, turning towards unpleasant emotions helps us find more balance and increases our capacity to stay present amid chaos. Meditation teaches us to meet whatever arises with compassionate awareness. And the more we practice, the more we can translate that into our day-to-day. By turning toward unpleasantness and meeting it with kindness, we strengthen our ability to be present with life's challenging moments and the pleasant ones. When we acknowledge hardships and difficult emotions, we also open the door to good fortune and pleasant emotions. So rather than resisting or denying your emotions, stay present with whatever comes up. Make room for what you are feeling and offer yourself kindness and ease. Remind yourself that you are enough. You are resilient. The more you learn to stay with your experience, the stronger you become. Now, become aware of the room around you. Make gentle movements with your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring presence and compassion into your day, and we'll see you again soon.